Hello everyone, this is Emre from Algorithmic Finance. On this channel, I will be teaching you how you can create your own algorithmic trading system. With this way, you will not have to stay in front of the computer. So after that, you turned your strategy into coding. So the system will buy and sell itself. So without waiting, without the first signal that it gets, without waiting any confirmation. So the system will trade itself after you defined all these parameters. And also another advantage will be psychological effect, bad side of psychological effect. When the money is the issue, so we don't give so radical decision all the time. So but when we define this strategy without getting any psychological effect, then will open position and close position without even thinking based on the parameters. So now let's move on my computer and start learning. Even if you never coded before, so don't worry, I will cover all and we step by step we go forward. And this is MetaTrader 5 terminal. Here I can press F4 or click this ID button. Meta editor window open. So here I will create new expert advisor and name of this system will be bar version 1, and this system will open position based on this candlesticks, the position and the level of candle. So the system will open position. So let's delete the part that I will not use today to simplify. I need to define trade library. So this library will help us to open or close position. So all the codes that I write here, I will put in comment. So you can copy and paste. So this will give you help so to change it. When I put trade and that, there will be many sections. There will be many functions that I can call or can open position and close position and so on. Let's see how we can open position first. I click buy. So I need to define parameters. Let's this time we open position of 2 lot and comma and which symbol that I need to open, null, which means where expert is working, this system will open position. Now system is asking me price. So if I am opening buy position, I should use ask price with symbol info double function. I get the current ask price. And system asking me stop loss, no stop loss, no take profit, and no comment, and end up with semicolon. My code is ready now. So let's see, is it working as we wanted? Close all position, expert, and remove. Okay, name was bar version 1, drag and drop on chart, and when I let Algo trading, so I should switch this on. As you see, system open 2 lot position. So let's change this to lot. When I put in this up global area input and double lot size, I put 0.5. When I defined any variables as input, so which means that I can change it without changing the code. So I switched here. So I remove expert advisor and I drag and drop again. As you see, now we have section as input. So let's say I will open 0.25. I want to make it smaller. So when I switch on algo trading, so it starts to open 0.25 lot. So this is how we enter open position. But now this strategy will just end up stop out, because if it use all this margin for buy position, within the second the price goes down and we end up losing all this account. So that's why we should put some limitation. Let's say if position total smaller than 2, and I compile again. And when I switch this on, as you see, this time it only opened 2 position. So this is that we will put all this limitation. Let's say like if the bar is up, so don't open sell position, only open buy position, one lot position. And we will put many if statements. So the strategy will take an action, close up position, open position based on all this if that we defined before. Let's also get the bar level. Double open open. This function will give me the open price of candle. And when I put here 1, which means this close candle, so let's say as comment. So this part that I delete, okay, no need to delete because it already is 2 position. When I compile, as you see this left up, I see the number. So this number gives me this current, this one is current bar and this is the one closed bar. With data window, as you see, we get exactly this open price of this candle. So let's also get double close equals close. So this time we get close price. Let's check also this one. Let's also write close price. This comment will give me this left up, this written. Let's go again. This is the closed bar. As you see, this close level, we get the close level is the correct way. So now I will use these 2 parameters. I will say equals if there is no open position and if close bigger than open, which means this candle should be up. If this candle is up, so the system will open and buy position. So there are 2 conditions, should be no open position and candle should be up. So we compiled and we said if there is no open position. Let's check is there any other expert is working. Okay, I close this one. Within the minutes that there is no open position on terminal, the system open buy position. Because as you see, this bar is bullish bar and this is opening price and close price, and just because it is up, the system open buy position. Let's do the same for sell position. I copy paste. And if there is no position, if close price is smaller than open price, and then I should open sell position. And for sell position, I should use bid price. And compile. Let's run. Okay, system open buy position. Let's go find some chart that should be down. And Bitcoin, okay. On Bitcoin daily chart, yesterday was opening price, close price was smaller than opening price. That was this bearish candle. So when I close it, as you see, this time system open sell position. So when I change this time frame, so the system is attached on new time frame all the time. So let's look let's look for gold as well. So for example, when I write this code, so I don't have to use in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So I can just switch or indicate any products that I want. I want to work in gold. I look in 15 minutes chart, and this just close candle. Okay, just close candle is bullish. So then system will open buy position. So the name was bar version 1, draw and drop 0.5. So when the new tick came and system opened buy position. So for example, after opening this buy position, so the position will just stay here forever because there is no stop loss and there is no take profit. I can only close manually. But as long as we trade automatic way, so closing shouldn't be manually as well. So I will define and take profit and stop loss as input double CL equals stop loss means 5 lot down, input double TP equals 10. So when I open buy position, I will put stop loss $5 down and $10 up for buy, and opposite will be for the sell. So let's double ask equals. I will get this ask from up as variables and get bid price, symbol for double. Okay, bid price and ask price I defined here. Stop loss should be ask minus stop loss and ask plus take profit. So will be the same for bid down, bid. For the stop loss of bid price should be above the open price, then stop loss and bid minus take profit. So now it's ready. I compiled. When I close, you see the new position. When I open the new position, the system already will close itself $5 down and $10 up. So if it reach this level, so let's say this is let's look for the sell position as well. Okay, for 30 minutes chart should be opening sell position. As you see, sell position is opened without any problem too. 10 point down is take profit and 5 point up is stop loss. Let's see if we want to run this system. Only the space of this candle I will run, and I want to see the result. View, strategy tester, visualize, and the name was bar 1. Let's run in gold, and last month will be enough. So let's start. So as you see, system opened with sell position. When I move this up, so as you see, system open and close many position based on only this candle. And I can change these parameters just because I opened 0.5 lot. Each stop loss was $250 and take profit was 500. So I can arrange all this system. I can change stop loss, take profit if the system goes in loss. So I may put some extra limit, not only any bullish candle. The bullish candle should be like 30% above, or should be some limitation of size. For example, this, if I want to open only this one, I can put limit like $15. If the differences between opening and closing price bigger than $15, then open position, etc. There are too many different limitations. So based on your strategy, your experience on the financial market, so you can arrange these codes and change. I shared this code in comment below. And before I close the video, I would like to introduce you Pepperstone, who supports our videos and content. Pepperstone is the global broker that you can trade more than 1,700 different products, including gold and Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies and currency pairs, and CFD American stocks, and there are many different large scale that you can trade. I put the video description and website link. You can go to the website through my link. I highly recommend you to go and check the website. Please don't forget, going through the website through my link will also support the channel and our content. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.